The final tip I have for you today is that you can message students from the gradebook. So this is gradebook management tip. You can message students from the gradebook using a feature called Message Students Who. It's a wonderful feature. I'm going to show you where it is and how you can use it. For each assignment, you have a menu. It's at the top. And you have many different things that you can do. I want you to be sure to take a look at these because they're pretty useful for managing your gradebook. Message Students Who is a wonderful one because you can communicate with your students about this particular assignment, and it's pretty easy the way it's been set up. If you click on Message Students Who, you can message students who haven't submitted this assignment yet, whose assignments haven't been graded yet. You can message them if they scored less than a certain amount, and you can message them if they scored more than a certain amount. Okay, so this has been set up for you to put all of the students who haven't submitted the assignment yet, or all of the students who have fit into one of these categories. These are all blind CCs, so it's not showing everybody who hasn't submitted yet. It's a BCC, and you can create, this is a good subject line, but you can create whatever message you want. And this is a really good way to interact with your students and just let them know that you're paying attention. So it is presence in the classroom, it is presence for your students, and it's a nice, easy way to do it that Canvas has provided you. I will add very quickly is that in the course analytics over here, in course analytics, you also have Message Students Who. And in this area of Canvas, these messages are about their bigger performance in the overall course. So again, I encourage you to take a look at Message Students Who, to send them messages according to where they are in their grade, whether or not they have missing or late assignments.